Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear Pan-Arab Vascular Surgical Society members, I would like to welcome you and I have very good news. Next meeting we will join in Jordan with the Jordanian Vascular Society headed by Professor Ma'moun al-Bashir, and our next meeting will be in Amman, Jordan, from 3rd to 7th of December 2025. And the scientific program is headed by my dearest Professor Hani Zaid, and I'm going to be in charge of an exciting session that is very near to my heart, which is nightmare session and how I do it. So I have created this QR code that I hope you all can click in and give us your ideas about nightmare cases and how I do it. I think this session is very near to my heart because there is always a straightforward lesson that we all learned from our nightmare cases and how to avoid it in the future and what was my mistake and how I do it with new vascular techniques. There are multiple ways that you can do the same aim. Which way is better? Which way to follow? Can you do it endoscopically or laparoscopically or open? And what is the argument for each one of them? So I welcome all of you to click the QR code, give us your ideas, and I am sure it will be an exciting session. We hope to see you in Amman. I am Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk, a consultant vascular surgeon and one of the board member for Pan-Arab Vascular Surgical Society. I wish you all the best.